If you've lost access to your Gmail account and don't have access to the recovery email, you can still attempt to recover it by following these steps. Step 1. Go to the Google Account Recovery page. Visit the Google Account Recovery page by entering the URL in your browser. This is the starting point for recovering your account. Step 2. Enter your Gmail address. Input the Gmail address you want to recover. Click Next to proceed. If you can't remember your email address, try to recall any associated information that might help. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. When prompted, select the option that best fits your situation. If you don't have access to your recovery email, look for alternative options such as answering security questions or using a phone number linked to your account. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions, entering a verification code sent to your linked phone number, or providing details about your account usage. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to secure your account. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your Gmail account. Remember to update your recovery options once you regain access to ensure easy recovery in the future.